This segment of DelmarvaLife is sponsored by Paul Davis Restoration.
If it's not already, one of your biggest pet peeves should be a USB charger that's left plugged in with nothing attached to it being charged. Batteries present a fire risk when they're overcharged or short-circuited or submerged in water or just damaged. It's National Fire Prevention Month, and it's important that we change and charge our devices safely. So, here to tell us more about it, this is William Cook. He's the Emergency Response Director with Paul Davis Restoration. Thank you so much
Thanks for
to be
having
here.
me.
So, tell me, why is it so important to unplug this?
So this has constant current going through it,
Okay.
and a lot of people are leaving their phones plugged in once the battery is full.
Yeah.
It's overheating the batteries. If you drop your phone and get water damage, you need to inspect the battery
Okay.
to make sure that it's not overheating.
Right.
Once it's fully charged, the recommendation from the National Fire Prevention Association is to unplug any device, your phone, your laptop, whatever that may be.
Once it's fully charged.
Once it's fully charged. Without doing that, you run the risk of overheating your battery and the battery causing a fire, exploding, with it being a lithium battery.
Oh, now you mentioned lithium batteries, and there have been a lot of problems with those overheating.
Yes.
So lithium batteries seem to be the more common go-to for a lot of electronics.
Yeah, so lithium batteries are in all of your cell phones, your electronic scooters, your bikes, your laptops. Like, everything is pretty well, when it comes to your devices, is ran from lithium batteries.
Okay, all right, that makes sense. Okay, so there's the chargers. What do we know about cords and things like that?
A lot of the extension cords, surge protectors, seen a lot of fires here recently. Not checking the amperage of which you're plugging in, they're overloading the cord.
Right.
Extension cords are underneath carpets, ran in between doors. And they're basically overheating and melting, and they're causing the fire underneath the carpet, or they're causing your device to overheat and catch fire.
Okay, so let me say this real quick. Let me ask this question. It seems like almost every device you get anymore sends you a charger and a cord with it. So why can't I just use one charger and one cord for all the devices that I've got?
So depending on the device, or your charger cord, you should use a charging cord that goes with that device that is recommended for it. A lot of your devices that you'll find, or the charging cords that you find in quick stops and gas stations,
right,
aren't necessarily certified for that device, and that cord may be a different amperage than what your device is required for charging.
So you're overheating your device.
So you're actually overheating your device by buying a cheaper cord that's not labeled to go with your specific device.
Now, I have to admit, I have got to be the world's worst. I use the cords and the chargers for the correct devices, but geez, I've got a cord plugged in next to the bed for the phone to charge overnight. I've got a cord next to my tablet in the office so I can charge it there, but that's not a good idea.
No, anything charging in the bed, falling asleep with your laptop, and obviously I'm guilty as well.
Yeah,
as
okay.
well. Falling asleep with your phone in the bed. The batteries heat up quick and get hot, and then they'll cause burns to your skin. They heat up the sheets,
right,
and eventually the bed's going to catch fire.
And all the damage is there. Okay, all the damage is there. Again, thank you for all this information. This is good information here. How can Paul Davis Restoration help us if we do something stupid, we overcharge a device, and we have a fire?
No matter the size of it, it can be something small, just some smoke damage. Even if you didn't call the fire company, we offer 24/7 emergency response. We will come, run everything with insurance company. We will take care of all the cleanup, any smoke damage, anything like that. We take care of that from A to Z to make it less stressful on you and handle everything 100%.
Good stuff. By the way, I want to say real quick, thank you for going down to Asheville after the hurricane to help clean up down there, because you were saying that was
absolutely
a mess.
Yes, it was a mess. Pictures that you see on Facebook and social media do it no justice to actually being down in that actual area with the crews.
It's amazing. All right, William Cook, Paul Davis Restoration, thank you so much.
Yep,
Wonderful
thank you,
talking
sir.
to you.
Thanks for having me.